Welcome to IS 485 and 585. I'm Professor Fahmi Jalani. Today we'll be continuing the chapter 6 on software and vendor selection. So as we match the requirements for two features, companies needs to identify and pretty much document the current system, which is the legacy system, in order to implement on the new system or the SAP system by using BPR or business process re-engineering. Two main documents, technically the data and function flow, or this could be the flow of processes or policy from one department to another department, and also maybe a detailed description or table form of the function for each department, and this need to be documented. Next, we will quite often request a proposal from the vendors. This is, like I mentioned earlier, could be the list of item or processes that the company or the vendor would implement on the system for ERP system for the customer. It could be hardware, software, upgrading, training, consulting. Okay. And it's very time consuming and it's very expensive because there could be changes constantly on the proposal. Things like what type of the type of ERP, in this case the module, infrastructure, hardware, software, training, okay, and other issues. Next is analysis. Okay, so technically all staff need to evaluate the functionality, what's the function, how it works. Okay, the IT staff will evaluate the technology part, okay, the codes, the integration, okay, migration, and also next we take a look at the contract, the pricing. Is it a one-time payment or progressive? So there will be constant negotiation and discussion, as no one solution from the vendor, the software could fit for the customer. Okay, and also develop TCO or total cost ownership. Next, we take a look at licensing and contract. So as the vendors progress with the contract, there should be terms, agreement, okay, for the professional services included installation, implementing, hardware, software, lifecycle management. So if there's any upgrade or expansion, okay, things to take note, what the delivery dates, okay, when is the soft launch, where is the hard launch, official launch, for example, acceptance authorities, is it technically legal to use it in not only in the company, also in the state, also worldwide, okay, and changes, who is authorized to make changes in terms of the contract, okay, right. So at the same time you do have quality managers. This is basically uh, to ensure that all the terms and agreement are followed or abide, okay, and if there's any changes, how is it going to be communicated, things like that. Okay, right. And it needs to be communicated to everyone. There's transparency. Implementation, so it's a top down. Basically, the top management needs to get involved and needs to be updated on the progress of the system, and there should be enough time uh, from plan to actual, and future improvement in terms of upgrading or expansion, and there should be also negotiation. Okay, this is basically to save cost and time. So that's pretty much it for the class today. If you have any question, please email me, and stay safe, do wear mask, and stay warm. Thanks, bye.